because you don't want to flood all your crystal, but also not too little because we are going to do like a really cool of the designs right in the middle of the nails. And again, this nail for all of you just tuning in, I using number 2 is Young Peach from Glitz Gel Collection, and number 33 sparkling I'm sorry, number 34 sparkling rose gold to make this look ombre. And you can definitely watch the previous live videos that I did and create how I create that super easy design ombre. Floating the no wipe top coat on the top. Just floating, okay? So you don't want to drag your bristle to be really thin because then it's pull all of the condensed glue gels away, which is we don't want it. I am gonna do, should I do the red one here?
You should do the red one on it.
Yeah, so we have a green and red. So I'm gonna move this centerpiece right here. I'm gonna get this frame for a second at the moment right now. Oop, it's already dropping here. Hey, thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Thank you is Facebook fam, Instagram fam, YouTube fam, and Twitch fam. Oh, that's it. And so now you're gonna get the frame first, and then you're gonna place the centerpiece. Even like if you want to leave it alone like this, it looks cute though. So, and then you're gonna use all the SS, which is I love about this kit is had all the SS I needed it. And then you start feeling them really close and tight together like that. You can do it like this in your plates first. This one is cute. You can either do like that or like it like that. It's kind of a combination of the golds. I think it's supposed to be a little bit up higher. The best thing about this is like you can adjust in your frame and your crystal however you want. Adjusting, adjusting, adjusting. Yep, there you go. That is supposed to be like that. Oh, I like it. It's just so easy, right? Today's video is gonna be so quick, fun, and it's super easy. It's more fun, less stress and overwhelm, so it can easy to create so many different designs. And now if you don't want any beads between, you can just leave it like this and cure. But if you want to add some beads on, absolutely. I'm gonna put it right here. Here again, beads on this is had like so much beads and frame. Like probably could last you maybe in the next 10 years. Great. I'm going to place it all between your crystal, like between the joints of the crystals. Okay, and then the last one looks cool. Okay, happy with this? You can definitely keep. The best thing about it, I can adjusting it. If you can see, look in the on the other angles on the clients, and then you can adjusting it to make sure that it's not crooked on the end. And then if you're happy with this, we're going to cure this one for a full cure 60 seconds.